Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Yes, good morning. Okay, sing once again, okay? Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you? It's so nice to have you here with me today. Yes, good morning, children. So, are you ready? Okay, how to say ready? Oh, yes. Okay, I am also very ready. Okay, so let's start, children. So, which sound we are learning, children? Tell me first. We are learning k sound. Okay, make k sound in air with finger. Make a curve. Yes, once again. Curve for k sound. Yes. Okay. Now, tell me. Tell me the k sound picture's name. K for car. Yes. K for car. K, cat. Meow. K, cat. Okay. And K for cap. K, cap. Okay. And K for cup. K, cup. Okay. And K, corn. सब भुट्टा खाते हैं ना? See, yes. So this is K for corn. And red, K, carrot. K, carrot. And this is colorful cake. We cut the cake on our birthday cake. And this is a candle. Yes, candle. Once more, children. K, car. K, cat. K, cap. K, cup. K, corn. K, carrot. K, candle. And K, cake. Yes. Okay. And what was the song of K sound? K, K, K. We are clapping our hands. K, K, K. We are clapping our hands. Clapping our hands. K, K, K. Once again. We are clapping our hands. K, K, K. We are clapping our hands. Clapping our hands. K, K, K. Yes, K, K, clapping. K, K, clapping. K. So children, we have learned K sound. We have learned, children, 3 sounds. A, B, and K. A, apple. B, ball. K, cat. Okay. Now we will learn, children, how to trace and how to write K sound. And this is very easy. Curve for K sound. Be ready with your pencil and your small letters alphabet book. So today also we are going to do work in your alphabet small letters book. Okay. And open your page number 16. Here is K sound. Okay. And what we have to do, children, we have to trace the k sound and we will write k sound. K, curve. We have to make a curve for k sound. Like this, children. Trace the dots and make a curve. K. Which sound is this, children? K sound. K. K for cat. K for car. K for candle. And children, you have to make curve and you have to write k sound yourself. Okay, you have to make only a curve, a small curve, and you have to write k sound in 2 lines, 1 and 2. These 2 blue lines, 1 and 2 blue lines, you have to write in these lines k sound. Okay, k. And say the vocabularies also. K, cow. K, caterpillar. K, corn. K, cave. K, castle. K, color. K, candle. Okay. So children, for k sound, you have to make a curve into these 2 lines. Make a curve for k sound. Okay, children. So, do practice for k sound, children. Okay, and send me your work on time. And we will meet again on Monday with new sound. Till then, children, keep practicing for a, b and k sound. Okay. Till then, children, take care and bye-bye.